my booze. It's Jocelyn. Welcome back to the Grandbaby Cakes kitchen. Today we're getting sweet, all right? We're gonna hook it up, mix it up with some homemade chocolate frosting. Now, I love all frostings, but I gotta say, I have a sweet spot, get it? Pun intended, for chocolate frosting. I mean, it's just got that incredible cocoa flavor. It's balanced with all that sugar, and I could just eat it with a spoon. You know, forget the cupcakes, forget the cake. I could just dig it right on out of the mixer and eat it. This recipe is so easy. I can't wait to show you how I make it. All right, y'all, I am starting with 2 sticks of butter, which is also a cup. And this is room temperature unsalted butter. I'm not gonna be that finicky and tell you that you have to use, you know, unsalted butter, because I know some old schoolers where they only got salted butter at the crib. You can still make this recipe with your salted butter, but just omit any additional salt that we add in. So just get this to room temperature. Here, I like to sort of just let them sit out on the counter, but if you forget, you can pop it in the microwave, or you can check out my super quick hack that I posted a while back about how you can get your butter to get to room temperature pretty quickly. Okay, into our mixer, this goes. Ooh, hey, little butter. Gonna start mixing that. So we've got our butter in the mixer, and now I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Like, we always need to add some salt to anything sweet to really balance all of the flavors. Now we're gonna start to add in our confectioner sugar. If you have some extra time and wanna make this super smooth, you can also sift this. You can sift the confectioner sugar along with your cocoa powder, but if you're rushing, if you need some extra time, like somewhere else in the day, and you need to get this done quickly, just skip it, it's fine, it'll be okay. We're gonna start adding this in increments. Now we're gonna add in our cocoa powder. This is the main ingredient, y'all. Gotta get that nice, rich chocolate flavor. And just a rule of thumb, make sure that you keep your mixer on low, because when you start to add like the powdered sugar and the cocoa powder, it can basically go everywhere. So start on low and then crank it up. So now I've got 2 final ingredients to add. I've got some heavy cream, and this is something that I've started to add to my buttercream, my American style buttercream. That really sort of lightens it. It makes it super fluffy. It adds some richness as well, which I love. And finally, some vanilla. And I'm talking the real deal. Y'all know how particular I am about vanilla extract. No artificial around here, y'all. Get the good stuff. In it goes. And now I'm just gonna crank this up, let it aerate, let it combine until it's luscious, smooth, and creamy and ready to frost. This is like that bakery style buttercream that you grew up with. You know, the kind that just used to be on all the yellow cakes you used to have for your birthdays. Y'all know, with the candles and the sprinkles. It's bringing back all those memories. Now let's put them on our cupcakes and serve them up. So we've got our perfect little cupcakes. You can use this chocolate frosting on basically anything. Your cakes, you can even add it in between like pie layers or something. I don't know, just have fun with it. Eat it out of the bowl. Do whatever you want to do with it. It's so delicious. It's a timeless recipe that you can use for basically anything. If you loved this recipe, make sure you like this video, and also make sure that you subscribe so you can check out more of my weekly videos. And don't forget to head over to to grandbabycakes.com to get this recipe and more. See you next time, y'all.